So what column that you want to basically add? So you can add like commission. Okay, that might be possibility that salary plus commission, right? So what data type that you want to keep? I want to keep like decimal of 8. So commission column I will be adding like decimal of 18,2. So alter table name. So I'm executing this command. Now if you go and look at it, this commission column is added. Okay. So after it added, now it is inserted as a nullable column. What if like if you want to keep not null in the alter statement? Will it allow or not? So this is nullable column. But commission, I decided that I don't want to keep it is nullable column. I want to create it as not null column. So definitely it will throw an error. The reason behind that is, so okay, I want to add commission 1 or anything. So it will throw an error. The reason behind that is alter table only allows the columns to be added that can contain nulls. So when if you have some data, right, already, if you have some data already, right, you want to alter this table as a not null column, it will not allow. So first you have to create a column as nullable column. After you create that, so what you have to do, you have to run some update scripts in order to update this commission value. So how to update the data? So update table name, right? Set commission is equal to 0, right? Commission is equal to just execute it. How many rows are affected? 2 rows are affected. Now you can go and select this table. Now commission is 0, 0. Now the commission, it doesn't have any nullable values. It doesn't have any nullable values. Now what I want to do, I want to go and change it as a not null column. So you have added a column. Now after you add that column, you want to change that, null to not null. Alter column commission decimal of 18,2 not null. So now you are able to execute this, right? You are able to execute this and make this commission column as not null column, isn't it? So that is the catch here. So when you are trying to add a column initially, so you are not able to create as a not null column. So after you add, right, like nullable column, just give me a minute. So here, after we make it as a nullable, first we should create as a nullable column, and then we have to update some values into it, and then we will be able to create as a not null column, right? So this is how we basically use this alter statement. Now, so this is a syntax, like we will be using like add column name and the data type. And after you add a column, in case like if you want to, change the constraint, like not null or nullable, or you want to change the data type, also you can change it. Okay. For suppose you want to change the data type of it. Okay. So the commission. So you can go here and keep it as a int instead of decimal. Okay. Just go and execute this. Now, if you go and refresh this table structure, now you can see the commission data type as int, it is changed to int, right? So this is how we can play with the alter table. So you can add the column, or also you can alter the existing column, whether we can make it not null, or whether we can, if you want to change the data type of it, that we can do. And how you drop the column? So using the alter statement only, we will be able to drop the column. So alter table name, up to this syntax is right. So drop column dpti, drop column dpti. Just execute this. So this will make sure you are only dropping that required column instead of dropping the entire table, right? So alter table employee drop column dptid, right? So this is how we can basically use the alter statement to alter the table structure, right? Is that clear to everyone? Any doubts until here? నీ వాయిస్ వినబడలేదప్ప.
నల్లు నాట్ నల్లు గురించి ఒకసారి చెప్తారా సార్?
సో నల్ల అంటే ఫర్ సపోజ్ ఇక్కడ నువ్వు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే ఇక్కడ ఎంప్లాయీ టేబుల్ ఉందా? ఇన్సర్ట్ ఇంటూ ఎంప్లాయీ. సో ఫర్ సపోజ్ ఇక్కడ ఎంప్లాయీ ఐడి ఉంది. ఓకే, ఎంప్లాయీ ఐడి వాల్యూస్ ఆఫ్ ఏదో ఒక వాల్యూ ఇన్సర్ట్ చేయండి. Just try to execute it. What it is saying? Cannot insert the null into the commission. ఇక్కడ నీకు నాట్ నల్ కాలమ్స్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? డేట్ ఆఫ్ జాయినింగ్, ఈజ్ యాక్టివ్, కమిషన్. Remaining all you declared as a nullable columns. You can insert the null. Okay, if you don't insert the value into the column, it doesn't matter. But మనం ఎప్పుడైతే నాట్ నల్ అని డిక్లేర్ చేసినామో దానిలోకి వాల్యూ కంపల్సరీ we have to insert, otherwise it will throw an error. Now it is complaining about commission. Okay, commission I can keep as 0 for now. Just try to insert. It will complain about one more column, ename, right? Because it is a not null column. So with ename you can keep like this and just click on insert. So again it is complaining about the date of joining. So like that. So if you declare a column as not null, it is compulsory. It will ask you to enter some value. So date of joining, I will keep it as get date. Get date means today's date. Is active as 1 or something. So now you are able to insert the record. The remaining columns, even though I didn't mention while inserting the data into this, so see, I ignored salary column. Salary column is not there here, and I ignored separation date, right? I ignored DPT ID. Still it is allowed. Why? Because I declared as a nullable column. So means nullable column means whether you insert a record or not, it doesn't matter. It will don't have any value. It will not complain. But if you declare any column as not null column, so you have to insert the value. అర్థమైందా?
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah, today I don't want to stretch much. So I will stop here. So tomorrow, we will be discussing about, so tomorrow also we have the class. Okay. Unless I notify Saturday, I mean, the class is not there. There won't be any class, but tomorrow we have the class. So we will basically discussing about the different, I mean, what is the identity property and what are all the constraints, that we can create on the table, So that part we will discuss tomorrow. Okay. So we will meet tomorrow morning, same time. Okay.
And I am having a small doubt, Amma.
Hmm.
And in spite of if we want to delete any particular column or row, so we are using table like this one, like truncate table and alter column. In spite of this, can we use delete?
Yes, yes. Delete. Yes, we can delete. We can use that. We will discuss tomorrow.
Okay, now.
Hello,
Yeah.
caller.
Yeah. Please.
Evening call करो. Call करो.
Yeah, we can use delete. That we will discuss tomorrow. Any more doubts from anyone? So I request everyone, go to the institute or connect with Shiva and try to install the SQL server. Okay, and start practicing day by day. Okay, take it as a serious note and try to practice. If you miss, so just try to stretch, 2 hours a day, and then try to practice. So it will be good for you only. So since this is a kind of a intensive program, so I request everybody try to practice day by day. Okay. So yeah, so that is all from my end for today. So we will meet tomorrow.
Video upload చేస్తారు సార్.